Yo, welcome back to another YouTube video. Everybody say yo. Yo, say yo. Now scream. Woo! Now scream. Woo! So, I know it's been a minute. Y'all done effed up. They done bought Audrey, my daughter, a microphone, and now I'm using it. So y'all might see me with the mic a little more often. Okay, I'ma chill. So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana. I know, y'all gonna kill me. It's been a minute, but I had to come back with another YouTube video. If y'all don't know me, my name is Adriana Nunez. Go by Viva La Juicy Adri. And I just want to bring y'all back basically a part 2, of another luxury haul video. It's a couple items, I had got for Christmas. I was supposed to been blog it and I didn't even blog it. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Of course, y'all better like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not playing with y'all. Like that video, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. I ain't even much playing. So let's start. So basically, I got a couple stuff. I got some Gucci, Louis Vuitton items that I want to show you guys. And I'm so sad that it's been a minute. Like, I really want to, I'm going to be more, with the content coming out now soon. I'm really dedicating more time, and I'm going to find the time to actually, schedule these videos. I don't know if it's going to be on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday. I'm going to try to drop at least, once a week or twice a week. I'm really trying to, drop more videos for you guys. This is really what I want to do. Besides YouTube, I am a lash tech. So I'm always busy doing clients and stuff. But I feel like I want to dedicate more of my time to you guys and stuff. So I'm going to start off with my luxury items. So stay tuned. And we're going up with Louis Vuitton. I don't know why they gave my daughter that mic, because now I'm going to be using it all the time. So I got some pair of earrings. I don't know if you guys seen them before, but it's the little hoop earrings with the LV on it. So it came in this little box. So it come in the little box, and then it comes with this little white bag, and it says Louis Vuitton on it. So then you open it. It's so cute. So you can always keep them in here, store them in here, or if you have a case to put them in, you can always leave it in the case or in another jewelry box. So they're so cute, you guys. They look like this. I love them. They're literally gold earrings. They go with anything. Shoot, even with a high ponytail. And then you can put it on with any outfit. It's so cute. And I love these. I wanted these for a while too. And I got them for Christmas. So I was really happy and stuff. And I'm going to show you guys. So basically, I leave them in here. I still ain't even wear them yet. I can't wait to go out for dinner. Take me out of dinner. Bing bang. Who gonna take me out of dinner? So yeah, I can't wait to wear these and rock these. Shoot, with a pretty ass dress or something. Some all black with some gold earrings. It's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be so nice. So then of course it comes in the little Louis Vuitton bag. And then I also got a credit card holder too. So it came in here in this box as well. The credit card holder also comes with his little bag, his little satchel that it comes in. And it looks like this. My cards are in it actually right now. So it's the Gucci one, and it has the Balenciaga. So it's the brand Balenciaga. I basically needed a brand new card holder because I think it's about to be a year or so. I ended up getting robbed, basically. Thank God it wasn't at gunpoint or nothing like that. But I had my Louis Vuitton bag. It was the regular Louis Vuitton MM tote. And I had Gucci credit card holder and a big money one to put all the money in. And I literally went to the gas station one day early in the morning, and so basically I got a new card holder. Long story short, my ass got strangled, robbed.
Cap.
No, I'm kidding. I ain't get strangled. Thank freaking God. But my ass got robbed. So hide your shit, hide your purses, hide your kids, because these people out here crazy. So just make sure you be looking around your surroundings. And we can actually go back. You know, I'll make another video on that actually, for we can continue with this damn haul real quick. So basically, yeah, I got my cards on it. That's my daily card holder now. I'm gonna be using that all the time. And I also wanted a black with gold bag so bad. So I wanted a regular Gucci regular bag to the side. So it came in this bag right here as well. And oh Lord, it's heavy. No, I'm kidding. It's not heavy. So it came in this. Just like this. And I'm so happy I got it. Look. So it actually, we can open the thing like this. It's so cute. And then it comes in this bag. It says Gucci on it, of course. No, it says Gucci. Kidding. So then it's a regular side tote bag. You can wear it literally on a daily, any day. I wanted it so bad. So it basically has, the gold G's on it for Gucci. And then the back, it has little, the G's on it. And then it has the gold strap with the strap. I also have one like this, but in pink. I had got it before. I know if you guys watched my other video, y'all could go back on my birthday vlog video that I had 2 years ago or a year. Child, I don't even know. This is how long I haven't vlogged. I feel so bad. And then basically it's a lot of space in here. You can literally stick a body in here. I'm kidding about the body part. I'm just joking. So basically it's a lot of paper. I haven't used it. But you could stick a lot of stuff in here. You can literally put anything in here. It has a small pocket in it. And of course it comes with the little cards in it. So... and it's so damn cute. I love this bag. I wanted this bag for a minute. And I feel you can match it up with anything. It's so pretty. And it's real simple too. If you want a black gold bag, I feel this one is the go-to. I forgot what the hell it says. The Heyyyy MARMONT bag. I'm probably saying it all wrong. What is it called? Ciao. I'm not sure, but basically, y'all can take a picture of it and see. But yeah, but if you guys want it, it's really cute. I love it. And I'm so happy I got my little stuff that I got for Christmas. I am going to insert too my little reel that I did on IG. It was too cute. I loved it. And where is the bag? And then I got this Versace robe. It is so freaking comfortable. So it really came in this box right here. It literally came in the box. Y'all gonna see the clip of the reel too of everything. But it came in this big box. When I seen the box and it was under the Christmas tree, I already knew what it was. I was like, damn, is this a robe? Because I had did what did I do? One of them boards or whatever of your life. And I had the damn robe on there that I wanted the robe. So I was when I seen it under the tree, I was like, damn, he got it for me. So sweet. So ended up, this robe is so damn comfortable. I literally wear it every time to go to goddamn bed. I wear it because my AC be piping. So it's really comfortable. It's real comfortable. It is thick. So if you feel you can't sleep with thick stuff and you just want to be around the house or anything like that, I feel like this is like your go-to like robe. Like, it's worth it. Like, it has like Versace all over it. It has like the gold prints around it, like the Versace like logo. And then it has pockets. That's the best thing. And then, matter of fact, the pockets are deep. So you see, it has like the pockets on the sides and stuff, and they're really freaking stuff. You can stick anything in there, basically. Whatever you want to stick in there, you can. So yeah. And yeah, that was about it. This was a really small vlog about my luxury items that I had got for Christmas. It was, you know, the wallet, the bag, the Versace robe. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And let me know what you guys do want to see. And what content do you guys like, these luxury vlogs, or you don't? Like, just make sure you let me know what y'all like under the comments. So make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep telling y'all this till I get to 1,000 goddamn subscribers. So of course, follow me on IG, you know, Viva La Juicy Adri as well. And watch my other videos that I got too down below. I got more videos, you know, coming up soon. Let me know what y'all want to see. And, you know, thanks for watching. I done forgot to ask y'all. Who y'all going for the Super Bowl? Look, I don't be watching football for real. I'm there for the wings and the food, and to just chill, relax, and eat. I'm actually on a diet. I don't really supposed to be eating no damn fried chicken wings and stuff, but I be hungry. And oh my God, I didn't show you guys my nails. Look, so my nail tech's so damn raw, y'all. Like, let me show y'all. Oh, I done worked out yesterday, y'all, and oh, I'm dying, like, for real. I done worked out. My sister had me freaking working out, doing all these leg presses, doing all this workout stuff, and I'm like, girl, I'm gonna die. Like, this ain't for me. I just want to do my makeup, be cute, and relax. But I want to lose weight, so you gotta work out, and you gotta eat clean. Let me show y'all my nails. Y'all like them? They too raw, huh? Look. They got like the little chrome hearts. It's probably not focusing. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, Nikki. She raw. Y'all need to go get her nails. Y'all nails done from her. She in Miami Gardens. So she is too lit. So yeah, you guys. I hope y'all really did like this video. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Bing bong. Stay tuned for more videos.